Let's continue with exercise 3.1. I am taking question number 2. Here in this question there are two columns given, x and y, and we are supposed to find out the regression equations x on y and regression equation y on x. So we are supposed to find out both regression equation x on y and y on x. Normally in board exams they will be asking you only one. They will be asking you only regression equation x on y and find the value of x when y is given. Or they will be asking you find regression equation y on x and find the value of y when x is given. So here in this question, if all means both the regression equations are supposed to be found out, then the first step, what is the first step? The first step is preparing x square, y square, xy and taking their totals So let's begin. I'll write x square, I'll write y square, I will write xy and then I'll be taking their totals. Okay. So first, x square, 10 square is 100, 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169, 17 square is 289, 18 square is 324, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 9 square is 81, 13 square is 169. Then xy, 10 into 5 is 50, 12 6 is 72, 13 7 is 91, 17 9 is 153, 18 13 so 18 13 is 18 10 is 180, 18 11 is 198, 18 12 is 216 and 224. Okay, then we have to take the totals. So मैं इसका total अभी कर देता हूँ. Okay, the totals are 7 tie, 4 tie, 1026, 36 tie and 600. Now the second step is finding the value of byx or bxy. If you are supposed to find regression equation y on x, you need byx. If you are supposed to find regression equation x on y, you need bxy. बराबर है ना? अगर हमें regression equation y on x फाइंड करना है तो हमें फाइंड करना पड़ेगा byx का वैल्यू. byx का वैल्यू. अच्छा, byx और bxy से पहले, मतलब पहले टोटल्स के बाद मीन ऑफ x और मीन ऑफ y फाइंड करना है. तो मीन ऑफ x और मीन ऑफ y, मीन ऑफ x इज नथिंग बट टोटल ऑफ x अपॉन n. Mean of y is nothing of total of y upon n. So mean of x is total of x is 7 times upon n 1 2 3 4 5 is 5. 5 1s are 5, 4s are 20. Similarly, total of y is 40 times divided by 5. 5 8s are 40 times. अरे बराबर है. Then we are supposed to find what? Suppose पहले हम लोग regression equation y on x find करते हैं. Regression equation y on x find करने के लिए we need what? byx. Now, what is the formula? The formula is summation xy minus n into mean of x into mean of y upon. Now see, here some sigma y square minus n into mean of y the whole square formula है ना? Because this is the formula of bxy. See, byx लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है? x. लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है? x. तो नीचे x के टर्म्स रहेंगे. मतलब ये रहेगा समेशन x स्क्वायर माइनस n इंटू मीन ऑफ x द होल स्क्वायर. ऐसा रहेगा. And when it is bxy, so y के टर्म्स नीचे रहेंगे. That means sigma y square minus n into mean of y the whole square रहेगा. Okay? Sigma xy 600 minus n is 5. Sigma x into sigma y 14 into 8 upon summation x square 1026 minus n is 5. Sigma x the whole square मतलब 14 square मतलब 14 into 14. So 600 minus 5 is 40. 40 into 14 is 560 upon 1026 minus 14 into 14 is 196. 196 into 5. 196 into 5. 5 6 are 35. 9 are 45. 8 4 1 are 5. 9 8 are. That means it will be 40 upon 46. 2 23s are 2 20s are. 20 upon 23. 20 upon 23. 20, 23, 0.0, 23, 23 into 8, 8 to the 24, 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 184, 8 is 184, minus, this is 1, 9, 10, 6, 1, 16, 0, 23, 7s are, 7, 161, 7 is 161, 7 is 21, 2, 7 is 1, 15, 16, 9, 6 are, 6 are, 6 3 is 18, 8 1 6 1 2 13, 138, 6 are 138, minus 22, 0, 23, 8 is 184. 9 आएगा तो 0.869, 0.869, so approximately it is 0.87, approximately it is 0.87. अरे समझ में आ रहा है? So byx तुमको मिल गया 0.87. If you got the value of byx, I can find regression equation y on x. Use the formula. Only 3 steps. Now what is the formula of getting regression equation y on x? ये division मैं रब करता हूँ बस. Now what is the formula of getting regression equation y on x? Formula is regression equation y on x. Y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. Y minus y bar कितनी है y bar 8. byx 0.87. x minus x bar कितना है 14. y minus 8 is equal to 0.87 x minus 0.87 into 14. 0.87 into 14 करो 12.18. देखो y is equal to 0.87 x minus 8. It goes there become plus 8 minus 12.18. So y is equal to 0.87x minus 4.18 is the answer. So your regression equation y on x is y is equal to 0.87x minus 4.18. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? So this is the half part of the question. Now we are supposed to find the value of regression equation x on y. For getting x on y, same thing. I'll write the formula bxy. I'll get the answer of bxy. And then I'll use the formula and I'll get the regression equation x on y. अरे बराबर है तो ये कॉपी कर लो मैं रब कर रहा हूँ. Now we are supposed to find regression equation x on y. That means we need to find what? We need to find bxy. For bxy, the formula, see the numerator will remain the same, but the denominator will change. That means in denominator I will write summation y square minus n into mean of y the whole square. So summation xy, what is summation xy? 600 minus n is 5. Summation y into mean of x into mean of y, 8 into 14. Summation y square is 360 minus n is 5. Sigma y the whole square, that is 8 square. So 600 minus 5 is a 40. 40 into 14 is 560. 360 minus 5 into 8 is 64. 64 into 5. 5 was a 20. 0 to 5 is 30. 32. 320. So I'll get 40 upon 40. So I'll get the answer as 1. So I got dxy as 1. Now to get what? Regression equation x on y. X minus x bar is bxy. Y minus y bar. X minus, what is x bar? X bar is 14. Bxy is 1. y minus, what is y bar? Is 8. So x minus 14 is equal to y minus 8. Therefore x is equal to y minus 8 plus 14. Therefore x is equal to y plus 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. So this is regression equation x on y. X is equal to y plus 6. Okay. Today I am taking one more question. This question is a bit different from the first one. Here the tables are not given. X column and y columns are not given, but the totals of the columns are given. Total of x column, total of y column, total of x square column, total of y square column, total of xy column. Totals are given. We are supposed to find what? We are supposed to find dxy, dyx, r, and one more thing we are supposed to find, that is covariance of x and y. बराबर है. सबसे पहले we will find the mean value of x and mean value of y. What is the mean value of x formula? Total of x upon n. That is 20 upon n is 5. Question में दिया है, एक बार read करो. Number of observation 5. So answer is 4. Similarly, summation y upon n, that is 20 upon 5. Answer is 4. Now how to find covariance of xy? That is summation xy upon n minus mean of x into mean of y. Summation xy is 76 upon n is 5. Minus mean of x. Mean of x is 4. Mean of y is 4. So it will be 76 upon 5. It is 5. 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 15.4 minus 16. 4 4s are 16. Once again 5 1s are 5. 25 बचेगा ना. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 0.5 2s are 10. बराबर. तो 15.2 minus 16 is minus 0.8. Is the value of covariance of xy. Then we are supposed to find dyx and dxy. Now how to get the value of dyx? Formula तुमको मालूम है. Summation xy minus n mean of x mean of y. बराबर upon dyx है ना. लास्ट में क्या है x, तो नीचे कौन सा टर्म रहेगा x. Summation x square minus n into mean of x the whole square. So summation xy is how much? 76 minus n is 5, mean of x 4 upon summation x square is 90 minus n 5 into mean of x square, that is 4 square. So 76 minus 5 4 are 20, 20 into 4 is 8 time upon 9 time minus 5 into 4 4 are 16, 8 time. So answer will be 4 upon 10, that is minus 4 upon 10, that is minus 0.4 is dyx. शायद यही find करना है. And then dxy, formula is summation xy minus n mean of x into mean of y upon summation y square minus n into mean of y the whole square. Summation xy कितना है? 76 minus n कितना है? 5, mean of x 4, mean of y 4 upon summation y square, that is 90 minus n कितना है? 5, mean of y 4 square. So I think same answer आएगा. 76 minus same 80 upon 9 time minus 8 time minus 4 upon 10, that is minus 0.4. Same answer आएगा. Same. So value of r का फॉर्मूला है प्लस माइनस रूट ऑफ dyx इंटू bxy. प्लस माइनस dyx कितना मिला? माइनस 0.4. dxy कितना मिला? माइनस 0.4. तो प्लस माइनस माइनस 0.4 इंटू माइनस 0.4 इज माइनस 0.16. तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 0.4. बट प्लस के माइनस, सो आंसर विल बी माइनस. तुम लोग बोलेंगे सर आपको कैसे मालूम पड़ा कि प्लस माइनस में से माइनस लेना है? हमेशा याद रखना byx और bxy का साइंस हमेशा सेम ही रहेगा, अलग नहीं रहेगा. इट विल बी आइदर प्लस प्लस और इट विल बी माइनस माइनस. इफ द साइंस आर प्लस प्लस, द वैल्यू ऑफ r विल बी इन प्लस. If both the signs are minus minus, the value of r will be in minus. Okay.